Oh goodness. It's very breezy here today. I was planning to be here early this morning, but it didn't work out that way. So I'm a little disappointed. I was hoping to raise these stones here and level them. I'm quite pleased with how they held up. So I'm gonna go check the Playhouse because I asked the kids to lock it up. And I saw Carter over there, but it doesn't look like he latched the bottom portion. So I hope we don't have any water in there. Oh yeah, we do. And none of the plexiglass was put in place. Okay, we're gonna have to have a more strategic routine. Clearly an adult is gonna have to come and supervise this, and this one is open as well. My battery died, so I had to go recharge. So the projects that we have on the go, the Playhouse has to get finished. That garden there by the stump has to get finished. The Bunkie, I would it's a project for this year to do, but it's not priority, as well as the deck. So I'm getting Jason to just place those joists. We've got the rocks there, which they removed from the old deck. So I'll have them set that up. Once that's set up and it's level, I can continue on to build the frame. And then when Joe and Elizabeth are here, they can help finalize it. If we just have the deck, it'll be great because we can get the table on there and then just continue on as time allows. But one of the things that I really like to get in this year is the vegetable garden, and I already have a board up there which is going to define the garden in that corner. So I've already taken some measurements. I'm going to get them to pre-cut them at one of the home centers. That way I don't have to worry about straight lines. And I can get that set up, because once I have the framing up and I can do the framing, it's just filling it up with this sort of stuff, twigs, leaves, and then the soil on top. That I'd like to get done within the next, I would say, 4 to 5 weeks. If I can get that done and get the soil in there, it'll be ready for planting early spring. And then this here, I really want to get this done. And if we're gonna have rain tomorrow, I won't be able to do that. So I can always work inside, but it's this that I want to get finalized, so that I can get my garden in here. As long as I plant in here by late June, and I prefer it to be before then it should be fine. Over here, I'm still wanting to put the Annabella hydrangea here. I'd like to bring some iris, blue iris here as well. So I'm gonna have to see where. I don't see any signs of the hostas the baby hostas that were here last year. I don't see anything peering through, but again, it's still early. Yeah, no, I don't see anything. Where that pine is, I may end up putting Shasta daisies there, but I want to be low maintenance and not too cluttered. I don't want a whole bunch of variety of things here. I'm not sure if not sure if that's an ash or some kind of a birch. I'm not sure that it's gonna make it. And like everything was just grazed. And I was hoping to keep that tree there. But so if the Rose of Sharon makes it, this is also white. If it is white, obviously I'm not going to put Shasta daisies there. But I'm not sure about this one. I want to do a little bit at a time. Make sure I get the right kind of flowers in there and flowers that I really love. Oh my gosh, what was that? Okay, I am gonna go in. Oh, I have to do this. What was that? It came from there. Maybe it was a log falling. Okay, I'm gonna do this quickly and I'm going in. So it stopped raining here today. A little late, but better than never. Things are still damp, but I'm gonna try to do some stuff. The loons are all over the place, and there's one right there fishing. So I'm gonna try and zoom in. There he is. I'm not sure if he'll hang around if I get closer. So I was doing a little bit of research on them, as they're all over the bay. So this is their breeding season. They typically come back to the same breeding ground, like where they were born. And some shocking facts that the parents will abandon them when they're about 3 weeks old. And they leave them for about 2-hour spans and go to other lakes. So they don't know why. It could be to avoid predators, to leave them to build some independence so that they can survive on their own. After 3 weeks, that's it. They'll come back and stay with them till they're around, I think they said 3 months. But by then they're gone, the parents. But this one, I'm not sure if he's playing in the water. Could be a little teenager. Yeah, I'm not sure what they do. So I also learned that they can't walk. So they basically, I think he's preening. Oh, no, he just had a fish. I hope that I'll be able to, oops, he heard me. I hope I'll be able to zoom this in after. Oh, he heard me and he's leaving. Don't go. Come back. They like being here. Yeah, he's gonna go. Oh, I have one little foot that has busted. Oh boy. Yeah, I didn't think these were gonna last here. What I may do is take them out, and the ones that have survived, just put them in the garden as stepping stones when I'm gardening. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are still intact. So I'm gonna try to work on here. Now I don't have a lot of time left, but I'm gonna try to dig that down, remove that poor little shrub. And this is the bay at sunset. Okay, we've got an owl right there. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. I'm going in because I'm getting really freaked out. It's too dark for me. Sorry.